about, does AI help us think or does it stop us?
Have you ever felt this? You stare at a blank screen and then your fingers automatically open AI?
But wait, is it just us or has this become a habit for everyone? Let's go ask around and find out. Be honest, when you get a hard assignment, what is the very first tool or app you use for help?
Kalau untuk aku sendiri sih pakainya ChatGPT sama Gemini ya.
Biasanya buka AI seperti GPT gitu.
ChatGPT. I often use ChatGPT to complete my assignment.
Yang saya gunakan ketika dapat tugas yang susah yaitu Web Perplexity AI.
How often do you use it?
Kalau untuk seberapa sering sih tergantung itu ya. Misalnya kan kasih tugas gitu. Kalau misalnya tugasnya tuh terlalu sulit, nah baru nanti pakai AI itu sih.
Tidak terlalu sering ya karena saya menggunakan banyak yang web yang lainnya.
Lumayan sering.
Does it make you feel lazy to think?
Kalau untuk kemalasan sih enggak ya. Karena yang aku bilang tadi, pakai AI itu buat nyari tahu gitu loh. Jadi kan kita nggak langsung ngelihat AI, langsung kita terima semena-mena gitu.
Mungkin itu salah satu dampaknya ya, saya malas berpikir, namun saya hanya mencari sebuah teori di AI-nya. Untuk pengerjaannya saya menggunakan pikiran saya sendiri.
Menurut saya mah enggak, karena kan saat kita nyari di AI, kita harus memilah dulu.
In my opinion, using AI doesn't make me lazy because I don't rely on it blindly. Instead, I read the response carefully and then evaluate the information and use it as my reference to improve my understanding.
When we ask people, one thing become clear. Most don't see AI as a cheating, they see it as a normal. Most go straight to AI for tough assignment frequently, but claim they only use as a reference while developing ideas themselves.
And that's interesting because according to a study by MIT using EEG scans, even using AI as a reference actually reduces brain activity responsible for executive control and deep thinking.
So the big question is, how do we use AI without losing ourselves?
Tip number 1, sit with discomfort. Prove that you've tried no AI until you've written your own solution, even if it's wrong.
If you're writing an essay, start with your own outline. Let AI check clarity, not create your thinking.
Tip number 2, ask AI to explain, not answer. Understanding builds skills, copying builds nothing.
Tips number 3, reflect after using AI. Ask yourself, could I explain this without looking? If the answer is no, then learning didn't happen.
Remember, intelligence isn't about speed, it's about depth.
We live in a generation where answers are instant, but meaning is still earned.